You don't know Hindi, only English. So it's sleeping time now.
Yeah.
How many hours it will sleep?
For baby tiger, around 12 to 14.
Oh, like humans,
Yeah.
human babies. Okay. When it will wake up? At what time?
Sometimes.
Sometime. Okay. It will drink normal milk, buffalo milk, or
It's powder.
powder.
Powder milk.
Oh, where is our mummy? Mummy.
Mom and dad, up there.
Up
In
there.
high tiger kingdom.
So it won't drink milk from mummy? No. Why all tigers are sleepy? Even big ones?
He wake up at night.
Wake up at night. Oh, morning they sleep.
And you, boy, come.
Come, now you come. Kushi, you come. Don't put hands. Don't put hands. Mouth. Come. Don't touch. No, 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 no. Kushi, look at me.
Okay.
ఇవి నైట్ టైం మేలుకుని ఉంటాయంట, పగటిపూట నిద్రపోతాయంట.
Hold it. Swing it there. Lay down, boy. Lay down. Lay down. Come closer. Alicia,
Huh?
where you from?
We're from Singapore.
Oh, Singapore. Ah. Mommy.
ఫోన్ తీసుకో. ఖుషి ఫోటో తీసుకో, అత్త ఫోన్ ఫోటో తీ. డూ కడ్లింగ్ డూ. దాని చక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు.
Mommy, come.
ఇగో నేను తీసుకున్నా ఫోటో.